So this drain plug is not lined up. You're gonna notice I'm gonna put this in and our ribs here are not going to engage with that sheet metal. See, you can see the sheet metal even through there. So what we need to do is we need to get this floor to go this way and forward. So you just got to think about, this whole floor is pretty rigid. So what's in the way? Is it battling against something up under the dash? Is the console, is it tucked up under the console in the bottom of the dash? Is there anything keeping it from going? One thing you could do, you can lift up and pull it in the direction you want to go. You can also slap to get it to line up. And what you want to do is you want to see that the metal and the floor are lined up, because this sheet metal is going to have to click at least 1 to 2 of these ribs in to make sure it holds really well. So I like to do this with these open. Now you can put this plug in this way, it still fits. I tend to put it in this way, but it's completely up to you. So you're going to want to listen for a click